Hello, we will be presentation object-oriented design and programming project. Okay, let's get started. Our member is my name is Ranpi Chakam. And last digit is 063.
My name is Natapong Welsi and last three digits are 021.
Hello, my name is Benjamin Narise. My student ID is 0T4.
The objective of this project is our group made a program about booking train because our group saw that train travel is cheaper than other way in order to increase the convenience of booking train ticket. So our group made this program. Okay, the next.
In the code section, there are two functions in part 1. Create a class name train.java. Define a portion of the field. Make a private because it is a personal data to run the code in defined paths. Then we will create method for accessing private data. And in the information section, create as public to show detail about the ticket. And part 2. Create a class name train_data.java and object name tail will be created to work object. We will start it by doing a while loop. In the loop, define its first step as show language to use the information in the public path. Scanner KB equal new scanner system.in is a command to get the information about the language. Change and will store in the language variable if the use enter an option other than the one specified and do it again. If the research language is selected, the next step is to run a while loop. While in the while loop, there will be a condition if we have two conditions. One in the text section, changing the language. If number 1 is select, condition 1 will be mixed with working Thai style. In the first step, use field in the ID card number and store the information in the ID spider. Then set the ID to be stored in the private ID card section. The second step is for use to fill in the first and the last name and store information in the name. Then set the name to be stored in the private name section. The third step is for the use to fill the phone number and store information the tail spreadsheet. Then set the tail to be stored the private section. The fourth section step is a condition picker. After selecting the destination of the condition will be missed if else.
Okay, if the user select 01, the information will be displayed in the public show Langsit TH select store the data in the spreadsheet of origin 1 as Langsit. If the use choice 02, it will show the data in the public show Nawa TH select and store the data in the origin 1 parameter as Nawanakhon. If the use select 03, it will show information in the public show Bang TH section and store some data in the origin 1 parameter as Bang Bain. If the use select 03, 3. It will show the information in the public show ban th select and store the data in the origin one parameter as บางโพบ้านโพ Then set origin ones to be stored in the private origin section. The first step, choose a travel time and it will store the data in the train time spreadsheet. Then it enter the switch case condition. First store the data in the variable destination is to go to the next condition and store the data in the variable destination. One is Navanakon in the order create. It will do the same. 5 step. Let the user fill in the travel data and store the information in the travel spreadsheet. Then set the travel to be stored in the private travel section. Next step, enter the condition if else to set the price of the trip. The 6th step, allow the user to choose a travel stand and store the user data in the confirmation dialog. Then Stevie, the if else condition. The first condition is the confirmation of the trip. The second condition is the cancel the trip. And to in the ranked train take select if number 2 is select conditions 2 will be missed with condition 2 is will work right to first condition but it will be in English.
The first thing that you can see in our program is the select ranked part. Our program has 2 ranked for you to select, 1 for Thai and 2 for English. If you select 2, our program will show you in English. Next step, our program will take you to input your personal information part. It consists of your ID card, your name, and your telephone number. After you finish, the program will show you to select the page that you want to go to. For origin page, 1 is Langsit, 2 is Navanakon, 3 is Bang Pa-in, and 4 Ban Po. For example, I select 2 Navanakon. And next, I must select destination and time. In this part, I select 4 because I want to go to Langsit. You can select another number such as 5 if you want to go to Bang Pa-in and 6 if you want to go to Ban Po. Then you must input the date that you want to use the service. And I type 25 April 2022. Now, you can see our information that you fill out and select in our program and the price that you must pay for the ticket. For this part, our purpose is to recheck that your information is correct. After you recheck your information, our program will show you to select 1 for confirm and 2 for cancel. If you select 2, our program will take you to do it again. But if you select 1, our program will say thank you to you and stop the program.